photographer Ansel Adams' landscape portraits are iconic piece of American art. However, many of the blank of landscapes were intended not as art, but as marketing. A concession company at Yosemite National Park had hired Adams to take pictures of the park for restaurant menus and brochures. Okay, so if you look at the blank, we have to put the correct prepositional phrase from many. We know that's a subject, and we have the verb or intended. And this prepositional phrase ends with the landscapes. Many were intended. But, okay, to answer this one, many of the photographers, and we can knock out so many choices here. It says photographer Ansel Adams. That's just one person. Okay, so you cannot choose anything plural like photographers. And not only that, not only this is wrong, that it's a plural, but also it didn't use as a possessive case. So not using possessive case with apostrophe, it's missing up apostrophe. Okay, so same thing, not in a possessive case. Again, it's missing an apostrophe. Okay, and the same reason for choice D. Choice A or C, which one should we knock out? So they chose the correct case, photographers, apostrophe S, but then this one has another apostrophe S. So that makes no sense because photographers' early photos of, when you say possessive like this, you need another noun, but we're missing that, and suddenly we introduce another of here. That's like having a double possessive, because of is possessive here, apostrophe S is possessive, so I'm gonna say double possessive. It's unnecessary. C would avoid such a problem, and let's read that. However, many of the photographers' early photos of landscapes, now that's perfectly fine, were.